Oh, so the bathroom I barely make it. Come right around, flush. Keep checking the correction. Alright, so this button is so bad in terms of the correction up here, so this probably have to go change because this crack tile can't live on wall, brother. I don't want to barely make it. Keep in mind that up there, sir. Oh, it's number 2. Take that door lock. Where's Sean? Sean not there. Like I said. So the door lock. May I try to get access to the door. So guys, may I try to get access to this room, but it seems as if the guy gone with the key. So can't get for sure on the inside, but I'm gonna bring up some photos, some images on the screen right now. We're giving an idea how a tile then do. So I don't know if you remember the vlog I made a show now with the same tile them in here, so I then execute the bathroom as well. And on these images, you guys will see tile work, I know, but you and I will not accept. As you can see, it cut bad, and because of bad measurement, he end up cannot be just simply rectified like the one I'm showing you before. So in this case now, when I see on the screen, all of the wall tile have to come down. And that means they have to go get tile again to do what the bathroom, and they have to get the correct tile. That's important to get the correct tile to do what the bathroom. Now, when you give a man a work to do over twice, the second time can be not as good in terms of quality as the first time. Meaning the bonding, it can be a rush thing. Because the second time he begs, he upset, and he might try shut out that place. So I might do some quick things. So in the second round of this now, at that point in time you might get the spot bonding, which you don't want. So the second time the tile then come up here, which is next week, we are going to see if we can guide them back to the process, see if we can get good coverage on the wall tiles them, probably as good as how them put on in the first instance. So that's that more showing us. So here then did full attack down here, so I lay the entire here, and at the time we walk out and come in back and leave them for the bathroom is a fail. Anyways, good morning team Ismash, how's everybody doing today? Welcome back to another vlog. And as I said, in today's vlog, we're just do a part 2 to the tiler's work. And I want to show you the framing, the closet. Legit. So basically there is a closet. That have a go feel with sawdust and go cry. Yeah, laugh at that. Oh, ball go up there? Oh. So as you can see on the crown, at the closet, you see them rotate it off. It's a piece of lot, dress lot, WPP, treated or whatever you want to call it. Oh, rotor, and frame it. I put a piece of ply in here, so, and 2x4 doors. You can put your mirrors in there, so if you feel necessary, because provision is going to be there. And guess that's it for the closet. Simple, dimple. So good morning again team Ismash. How's everybody doing today once more? And I just proved to you say the ones with the biggest and the loudest mouth, always the ones that prove to you say then just have the loudest and the biggest mouth out there. So here a man say word I win, word I literally win. Actions speak louder than words. When claim say yo, me are the biggest and the baddest and the this and the that, nobody can give them no talk. But I also do this on their own. This and that and that and that. And you see it there? My entire wall of it tear down, stripped down because of him. I just say you go on site, you have to stuff on site and ask anybody who work on site. You can't be too, can't go like you're a bad man or nothing like that. That don't make sense, especially in an environment where you have a lot of what they normally say unattached and rare type of people. You can't really go around and go like you're a bad man. So sometimes you just have to prove to a man, say, listen me, be assertive. As any former supervisor, you have to be assertive. And sometimes when they go out with their madness, just make them do their thing, knowing that them have to turn on and correct it. Just make them do their thing and watch them. And when they fail, sometimes just make them correct it. Them are miserable with them themselves, you know. As I say in another video, never you pay them before, you know, do you know. If you pay them, you know, them say, boss, I'm going to come back and fix that. You get shake, you know. You get shake. So, we watch Tyler doing thing and him have to end up come back and do that all over again. And him do the bathroom over the weekend. So, we could get to see it and say, yo, that now going to turn out how we want it to turn out. And we come back the Monday morning now, we see it where I say, bow yet. This not stay good. This not stay good none at all. So I'm gonna talk to you now about something I'm on site, and overall we have go on the topic where we talk about stubborn people. So we have this truck driver on site and come and deliver 45 yards. I think it was stone. It was stone at the time. Stone? Marl. I think it was stone. A stone, gravel. He can deliver 45 yards of gravel, and him want go like him a big shot. You see, he must say, yo, let me do this by moving, I don't need nobody to tell me nothing, I turn on this and that. How about we say, alright, do your thing, Mr. Boss Man. Because we like when people learn from their own mistake, you know. Because when you're full of chat, we say, alright, we normally give the benefit of the doubt. You see, you're full of chat for a reason. So we say, alright, do your thing. But I'm up by the office, me blue. We were blue, we see a man around and come and say, yo, Chuck turn over. I say, oh, Chuck turn over, and the big star just go on with big things right there and go down there and say, yo, man doing thing by himself. First of all, normally I have a second man in a truck for kind of help the driver, especially when I tip a 45 yard per one jack. Jack can't really manage that. They can push you up because of the hydraulic system, but any farmer toppling, you get shagged. Any farmer when you weight shift, you get shagged. So don't know your boo, I couldn't do up an investigation. My boss, first of all, I'm a tip on an angle. You're not supposed to tip at an angle. The instruction there, that warning they come on the truck itself. Don't tip at an angle. Try straighten up the truck and tip. Because when you tip at an angle, you straighten the jack. Because the jack no make for no form of lateral movements. So you go say boo, we tip at an angle, and the bed of the truck, or whatever you call it, the trailer, it topple off onto the sleeper. So you mash up the sleeper, it topple over and mash up the sleeper and mash up the trailer head itself, destroyed it completely. We see the truck as a total truck. As the images I'm showing you right now, the truck total. Now look on myself. The truck total, all of the sleeper tear off. It make out the, I think a carbon fiber you call it. A carbon fiber you call it. Why something when you cut it, you know, for smelly? Because it kind of, that's something they make out of. So fiberglass, they make out of fiberglass. So it bursts easily. It's them strong. Whenever like 10 style force, then but then it break up. As you can see, truck destroyed. The entire sleeper destroyed. The entire cab destroyed. As I said, the jack failed because him strain it. I get lateral movement and it never make for that, and it break and destroy the entire truck. That truck right now, I can tell you head of that probably run a $4 million depending on the years. An international truck, and he destroyed it over stubbornness. And you go find them man upon side. So stubborn man, especially when they were drive for over 10 years or work for over 10 years. You can't tell them say yo 1 + 1 or 2. If them did I work with 1 + 1 = 3 from day 1, you and them. Anyways, as you can sun into the carry. The image just shows sun. Sun into the carry, the truck destroyed. I'm showing a video clipping right now. I walk go down there. truck did topple over into the yard, backing up in the road. You get one other truck for kind of dry it out on the road because the owner of the truck did a confident truck. The driver, I never see a big man cry. So normally a female make a big man cry, but boy, when wrecker come, the scoop you know, dead here.
Yeah, you just come along a job and contain and you link bus, you know. Broke man shoulder, you know. Chain the fly and link man. One link, you know. The bus, you know, and the one link fly out and broke man shoulder, you know. One link.
Until we kind of finally reach somewhere with the truck. And we are work towards getting this truck off the site to the owner's location of choice. I don't know, oh, and you're not connected to the hydraulic thingy? Yeah, so upon wrapping up this vlog, just to show you that you got stubborn people when you do construction. So whoever out there build, just sit with them and you have to learn how to deal with certain situations when they come out to these stubborn people and these bad man on site or whatever they call themselves. You have to know how to deal with them. You have to smart when you deal with them. Because you know when I come on site and dead, you know, I say work man come on site. I say things on site, trust me. Look at them when I run it, I say things on site. So I'd say, yo, no, be careful when you come on to construction. Be careful with doing hire. Be careful with the plants, heavy duty plants, equipment. Be careful because things can go south in a matter of seconds. And I don't want nothing to nobody out of my family, which is the Team Ismash family. I just want to take care of yourself. Stay safe. Just get in the dream house, work towards getting in the dream house. Can't call a boy if you help. Or constructing a dream house, you can give me a. As I always tell them if you shoot me an email and ask me anything, all of my comments them respond to regardless. I respond to them, even if it's directly or indirectly, I respond to them. I respond to all of my emails them ASAP. And yeah, link me on if you don't want construction, but me personally want to link me. When it comes down to a landscaping thing within this region, construction thing now, I want to link me upon that. Link me upon that. So yeah, Team Ismash, me appreciate it. I see subscriber listen I go. Welcome to all of the people that are new to the channel. I appreciate it. I see you know. So I'm gonna left you out. And yeah, just go on and watch the video, then watch every single video. If you're new to the channel, just subscribe if you're not subscribers yet. And I realized you know say notification bell important, you know. So you can just go so and don't have to do on the notification bell because some people not getting notified. And yeah, I appreciate you know, Team Ismash. But they here now, they here for stay. And we're rolling, you know. Hope you kind of motivated by these videos to you know, see me, you know, things said. And yeah, Team Ismash. Thanks for watching this vlog. 10 minutes, cha-cha. I'm out.